Yo. Here's an introduction. I only just walked up into the function. Thought it'd be like a party, it's more like an office luncheon. Half the people unnecessary, all of the dishes are scary. Think I'd get dysentery from these half-baked rhymes. So please don't make mine a real full plate. I'm sure I won't need armor if the crew's today's minds are crudite rhymes. A full app tray lined with nothing good or better than these vinaigrette lines. Balsam 16:8 says not to be shaken. Maybe one MC's got a stake in making contagious greatness and creating cadence, but they betrayed us cause now all I smell is turkey bacon. Yo, and they'll just gobble it up, robble at McDonald's after paying for buds and playing the club, saying that they're spraying the slugs, but I think they swallowed the meat cause slimy grease is all that's coming up. Nytes, that's nice. Bring them rappers round and make them wanna rain rice. Married to the beat, beat it up, Ray Rice. You can duck and weave, I think my hook is too precise. Oh, Nytes, that's nice. Spitting written, let you make them wanna say it twice. Cold-blooded Rick James, rock you with ice. It's a celebration, bitches, get your invites. Hey, your handshake is floppier than a pancake. Can you stand straight and get a grip of the damn plate? Oh, you can't bake, but you're promising me you can't scrape. And man, that's great, but you gotta discover Pam spray so you can get that slick to really flip that shit. You can't just pick conflict when you can't spit that shit. Your wit is pitiful and writs are conditional. You're minimal, don't profess to attest that you're at the pinnacle. Alright, let's be nice. Take a step back and just think twice. No point inside in a fight. Count to 10, right, put down the pen. Nytes, I found my insight. The outlook ain't right, the crowds are all hype. The powder ignites, the power's in sight. Lay down the last rites and what did you do? Where's your follow through? Oh, you moved on to the next song? Well, how good for you? Oh, you're headstrong, how is that wrong? You gotta come through for your fans, or are you just thick-skulled trying to headbutt gold in a fatal endeavor to never remain unsold? Banger, smash, don't knock your ass out before you pass out. The music history might give a crap about. I know you're able, get off the fridge, time to sit down at the table. Nytes, that's nice. Bring them rappers round and make them wanna rain rice. Married to the beat, beat it up, Ray Rice. You can duck and weave, I think my hook is too precise. Oh, Nytes, that's nice. Spitting written, let you make them wanna say it twice. Cold-blooded Rick James, rock you with ice. It's a celebration, bitches, get your invites.